So this week I thought I'd look at two of my favourite subjects, food and photography. Why am I always hungry? When you're doing food photography, a good place to start is having a workspace that is clean and simple. So I used a white base with a plain background. I put a light either side of the table and another light at the back at a diagonal angle. Now I didn't put a light at the front of the table because I didn't want to make the food look really flat and boring. So the final thing I needed for this was a cake. I'm not a baker, but I tried to make myself a triple layer Malteser cake with a malt filling with a dark chocolate ganache topped with Maltesers. Now, before I show you how my cake came out, I just want to say all those people that say baking is relaxing are liars. I found the whole process very traumatic and, well, I have a newfound respect for the British Bake Off. But anyway, here's my cake. It came out okay. So I put the cake on the table and I took my first photo. So that is my fundamental setup. But now we get to do something what our parents always said we shouldn't do, and let's play with the food. So here are some examples that I did. In this photo, I simply just added a napkin to the side. Then I tried to just give it a bit more space above the cake. Also tried a bird's eye view of the cake. And then I did a really nice close-up. So by this point, I had documented the whole cake. So the next step was to take a knife and take a slice of the cake away. Then I removed the slice away from the cake. Then to make the single slice a bit more interesting, I took some of the Malteser toppers, added it to the table, and this is what it looked like. And the final thing I tried, which I do hear quite a lot, is I put a fork in it. And after that one, I also tried one with some extra toppings. I hope that helps the next time you want to take a photo of your baking masterpiece. If you do take a photo, don't forget to tag me so you can make me even more hungry. And I'm gonna go eat some cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you could hit that like button, that would be great. Then hit the subscribe button so you never miss anything. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos, write them in the comments.